Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you velocity edit in CapCut tutorial. So I have my last project here, and then I want to add a velocity to this video. The easiest step to get velocity edit is click on the video and then click style, and after that swipe right and click on the auto velocity. Click adjust if you want to adjust the velocity. I will adjust to 1 second and then click save. Then this is the result. So this is how to velocity edit in CapCut tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.